Okay, this is my dahlia setup. So this is how I store my dahlias. They are in a portion of my farm store that is unheated, and it keeps them from freezing, and they're very happy in here. I store them in vermiculite and cover every last one of their little heads. For packaging, go ahead and print out all of your orders. Put together the boxes and put the orders in there numerically. It helps on this top shelf if you have the numbers written across the top of the box, the order numbers. This station over here is for labeling sorted tubers. So when I get them sorted, I bring them over here, and if I have a helper, this is a great job for them. They can put stickers on, bag them up. There's a little bit of peat. If they're super shriveled, give them a little spritz of water. Bring in extra peat moss, have a can for distributing or getting rid of your extra vermiculite. You'll need a trash can, you'll need a compost can. Bag up your mystery tubers to add into the bags. I also have some seed packets in case they don't, in case I can't fit a free tuber in them. Have your dustpan. This is my sorting tray. I have half-gallon Ziploc bags for my stock. More peat, a water source for dampening off my tubers to get them to wake up. Sandwich baggies, have a little bin of pens, scissors, Sharpies, a dry erase marker. I like to write on my lids my order numbers, so when I get my orders filled, I'll take the lid with the packaged dahlia tubers on it and write on the lid what order numbers they go into. You'll need tape on both stations. Today I put my laptop elevated for standing to save my neck. I like to have standing mats. Again, being on this concrete floor all day can be pretty painful. But this is my setup for packaging the tubers. This year we've got maybe 150 orders so far, so pretty good. I'll launch my marketing soon. Oh, and then as I have my extras, I'm getting ready for the sale as well. So the in-person sale, I need a different system for this. We should have these alphabetized so that when we're all done, they will go right up on the counter.